Today we will understand tuples in Python. So tuple is also another type of collection data type in Python, but the main difference between list and tuples is that we cannot modify tuples. So let's begin. Let's make our first tuple. Let's name it tuple1. And if you want to make tuples, you have to use these brackets to make tuples. So let's make it. Let's write some name in it. John and one more. Mm, like Jerry. Now we have created this tuple. Now if I print this and I put the type here and write tuple 1, and now I run this program. So you can see the class is tuples. So now if I print this, and now I run this, our class tuple, and our tuple is also printed here. So let's try something. So if you want to check uh, how many elements are there, we can always use len function to check it. Now if I run this, see 3. As you can see, the 3 elements are there in this tuple. So yes, another thing we can do is check or on which position is on, like if you want to check on what position is Tom is, like this, we have to use index. And now if I use this, see 0 is printed. Now if I just copy this and paste it right down here, and if I put the other name like Cherry, John, and other Cherry, and now I run this. Sorry, what I have done wrong here. So yes, I have to spelling mistake of Jerry. I have put E there, double E. So now if I run this, it should work. Like see, Tom's number is 0, John is 1, and Jerry is 2. Yes, we can do this also. So let's check like uh, um, like count. Is there is another function like count. So I have to put 1 here and count count O in this is how many O's are there. So now if I run this, see 0, because we have not put uh, if now because there is no 0, O is there, single string O is there. Now if I put Tom one more time here, and if I write Tom here, now it should see it tell us there are 2 Toms. So this is how you can check the how many repetition of this is there. this is the one thing. Now let's check. So now if you want to, like, you have created, you want to change this tuple to list, so you just have to write list function at the beginning of this. Now this tuple has been created uh, to list. So if you want to check it, we can also print its type like this. Now if I type tuple1, and if I print this, see, our class is changed to list. Now let's understand how we can slice our list, our tuple. So I just remove this list function from here, and this. Another thing is that if you want to, like, you have created like this, like only you have put Tom here, and now if you run this, now if you print this, prints its type, and write tuple1, and you run it. Come on, yes, the class is string, it's changed, uh, it's is string, not tuple anymore. So if you want to show its tuple, you have to put a comma in front of this. So now if I run this, so as you can see that class is changed to tuple again. So yes, this is also one thing. Now another thing is that like you want to slice tuples, like in list also, I forgot to tell that in that. So let's make a list again. Of this time we will take numbers, of we will make a list of number 7 and another 8. Now if I put list, sorry, I name it something else like a, and I type tuple1 and the square brackets. Now for example, we know I want to slice the list from 2 to 6. Okay, so we know that the number for 1 is 0, 1, 1, 2, and for 6 is 3, 4, and 5, so on. So I know this, that for 2 is 1, so I put here, and then colon from where I want to slice, like from the 6th. I've 6th, so 1 was 0, and 2 was 1, and 5 was 3, and 6 was 4, and 7 was 5. So I have to put 5, and if I print a print a, yes, now you will see our tuple has been sliced. See, 2, 5, 6. So for example, I have to do till, so I have to put 4, so like this, and see, 2, 5, and 6, like this. So you now understand that it works for n minus 1. You got that point now? So yes, so for example, if you want to, like, you want uh, you want to, like, slice the list from 5. So we know that for the 5 the number is 0, 1, 2, from 2. And if I put two these columns, and I run this, it's taking some time. So now if I run this, see, our list has been sliced from 2. Oh sorry, I have to from 2, so I have to put 1. And if I run this, see, 2, 5, 6, and 7. Now if I want to, like, reverse this list, I have to simply go back and write minus minus 1. And if I run this, our list will be reversed. See, 8 7 6 5 2 1. See, so, and one more thing was that, like, uh, mhm, let's put name here, like name someone name, then then age, then age let be 13, and city let it be what it should be. Let's type south. Okay, now if I type this name, comma age, and comma uh, city, direction, sorry, I should direction, and I name this like one again, I think. And now if I print only the name here, and if I run this, yes, now the name, the first variable is assigned to the Tom. And if I put age here, and another, let it be print, let uh, direction, and if I run this, see the Tom 13 and south is, it is assigned to these values, that name. See, we can also do like this also. Another thing is that we can name anything here, like it is it's not important that we have to write name only. We can write like num1, and age to be like num2, and direction to be like num3. And if I change these, num1 and num2, and last direction to be mm, num3. Now if I run this, it's gonna show the same thing, like see on 13. And now if I remove one of the variable from here, like num3, so it's gonna show some error. See, it's gonna, because we have to assign the same values to them. So like another example be like that, we can do like this also, like let's create a number like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, then I put y1 and comma, then asterisk, comma y2 and comma y3, and let's it equals to tuple 1. Now if I print y1, let's print y1, and if I print this, the first, yes, the one is going to print here. Now if I print y3, yes, it's going to show 5, yes, you can see. And y2, 2, let's, and now if I print this, see y2 has been assigned to 2, 3 and 4. So remaining other from inside the middle part is going to assign to y2 by using asterisk sign before y2. So that's it for tuples for today, and tomorrow we will understand sets. So thank you for watching.